Hi, welcome back to Panel Perfect. Today we've got a 2017 Seat Leon with a dent in the lower offside rear door. The car is due back to a PCP company actually in a couple of years, but the customer would rather not live with the dent for the next couple of years and have to sort it out when it goes back. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so here's the dent down in the lower section of the door. I'm using the light because down here it's a bit tricky to see otherwise, but as you can see, main dent here. There's a little bit above the line in the concave section, which could be a little bit tricky to, there we go, you can just see it there, just up in here, which could be a little bit tricky to get. Also, you can see there's quite a defined line where the double skin section is, where the join is of the inner and outer skin. You can see it's actually bent over that quite a lot, so we'll have to deal with that as well. But not the worst dent in the world, but certainly something that needs to be sorted before it goes back to lease. So let's see what we can do.